Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar. My goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we're making a little IPA official craft cocktail. It's made with brandy, it's made with orange Curacao, it's made with Luxardo Maraschino, lemon juice, simple syrup, a little Angostura Bitters. This cocktail is called the Brandy Crusta. All right, so the build we're gonna do for the Brandy Crusta, we're gonna follow that official IBA build. Now, this cocktail was invented by Joseph Santini out of New Orleans, so I'm gonna follow his build. I wanna honor him. The only difference is I'm gonna just convert it to ounces because that's what my jiggers are, and I think that's what majority of people's jiggers will be. So converting from milliliters to ounces. So it'll be like slightly close-ish, and it'll be a little off. It's okay, it'll be perfect, it'll be great. We're gonna go with it. So the build for the Brandy Crusta, it's gonna be 1 3/4 ounces of brandy, 1 bar spoon of orange Curacao, 1/4 ounce of Luxardo Maraschino liqueur, 1/2 ounce lemon juice, 1 bar spoon of simple syrup, 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters, a shaken that's double strained that's gonna be served up in a coupe glass, and we're gonna garnish the glass with a sugar rim and an orange peel. All right, so with all that being said, we got a little bit of prep work to do today, so let's just go ahead and jump right into the prep work. Tools you're gonna need for the prep: you're gonna need a cutting board, you're gonna need a knife, you're gonna need a citrus juicer, you're gonna need a kitchen scale, something that can weigh out grams, you're gonna need a bar spoon or something you can stir with, you're gonna need a basket strainer, you're gonna need a pot, and you're gonna need some sealable storage containers. All right, guys, so first things first, for our prep work, we gotta make our simple syrup. So grab our kitchen scale, turn that thing on, place the container on, make sure it's zeroed out. Grab our sugar. We're doing a 1-to-1 ratio simple syrup. I'm gonna do 250 grams of sugar. Boom, 250 grams of sugar, and add that into our pot. Make sure the scale's still zeroed out, and we're gonna weigh out 250 grams of water. 250 grams of water into the pot. Then turn that burner on to a medium-high heat. Grab our bar spoon, and we're just gonna give it a little stir. And what we're gonna do is we are going to bring that up to just about a boil. Make sure all that sugar incorporates into the water, and then we will have our 1-to-1 ratio simple syrup. While that is going on, we're gonna jump into juicing our citrus. Got our lemons here. I'm gonna grab 3 of them, cutting them in half. Let's grab 3 containers. Got our citrus juicer, and let's juice them up. Juiced. Let's go ahead and double strain. Once, twice. Grab a lid, grab some blue tape, label and date. Remember, guys, lemon juice, good for 2 days, start out on the 3rd day. Lemon juice, done. Check back on our simple syrup here. Give it one last stir. It looks like all that sugar is incorporated. We can turn that off the heat, grab a container, and let's pour our syrup in to our storage container. Boom. Again, grab a lid, label and date. Your shelf life on this, guys, I'd say you're good up to a month refrigerated. Simple syrup, done. Lemon juice, done. That is it for the prep work today. Let's jump in to making our Brandy Crusta. All right, guys, I went ahead and put my lemon juice in this cheater bottle here, my simple syrup in this cheater bottle here. We are ready to roll. This is a shaken cocktail, so first thing we're gonna need is our shaker tin. Next, we're gonna need our jigger. And we're gonna need our glassware. All right, now before I start making this cocktail, I'm just gonna rim my glassware in sugar. So I'm gonna take one of the lemons that I juiced, and I'm just gonna rub the outside of the entire glass here with my lemon. So that way my sugar sticks to it. And I'm just gonna take my glass and I'm just gonna roll it in the sugar, get a nice coating of sugar on the glass so it looks all pretty. Shake, make sure nothing's coming off. Oh yeah, and there it is, guys. Got that sugar rim on the glass. Now we can start building our cocktail. We're gonna go cheapest, most expensive ingredients. We need our 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, a bar spoon of simple syrup, and we're gonna do a bar spoon of our orange Curacao. Need a 1/4 ounce of that Luxardo Maraschino. Now we're gonna do our 1 3/4 ounce of our brandy. And our 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Grab a large side of a shaker tin and grab some ice. Fill that shaker tin all the way to the top. Seal her up. We're gonna Shake for 12 seconds as always. "12 seconds, crack that container, grab both our Hawthorne and our basket strainer. Let's double strain this cocktail. Yes. And lastly, our garnish. What we're going to attempt to do is get the longest orange peel garnish we can. So we're going to try to go all the way around the orange. Oh yeah. See, that's what we want right there. And what we're going to try to do is stick this to the inside edge. Well, it's the closest we can get. There it is, guys, the Brandy Crusta. Let's taste. I'm just gonna drop my nice little orange peel right down in the cocktail here. Got this beautiful sugar rim. Man, it smells beautiful. You get the brandy and the orange on the nose. Let's give her a taste. Wow. That is fantastic, man. It's bright and citrusy and really clean. This is a cocktail, man. I'm not usually a sugar rim cocktail guy, but this is a cocktail that needs that sugar rim because there's such a small amount of that simple syrup in there. The sugar rim balances out the acidity and the booziness of the cocktail. It's really beautiful. Man, I love that. Hats off to Joseph Santini, man. This is an IBA official cocktail, the Brandy Crusta. Get the brandy notes, you get that orange curacao, that little dryness, you get some sweetness from that Luxardo Maraschino, a little bit of cherry note. The acid from the lemon, you can taste the Ango a little bit, you get a little bit of Ango in there. Wow, that is a crushable cocktail, perfect for your summertime. The Brandy Crusta, baby. I don't want to stop drinking it. I love it. There it is, guys. The Brandy Crusta. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. Maybe made it along with me. Maybe you wrote down save for a later date. Either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. And become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern to get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.